Have you ever accidentally deleted a cherished photo on your iPhone and thought it was gone for good? Feeling that heart-sinking moment when you realize an important memory is lost. But don't panic just yet. There are several ways to recover those photos. In this video, we'll walk you through simple steps to bring those lost images back to life. It's easy to delete photos by mistake, and sometimes they seem like they're gone forever. Whether you deleted them intentionally or by accident, there's a chance they're not gone completely. iPhones have a recently deleted album that holds deleted photos for a while before they are permanently erased. Let's dive into how you can get them back. First, let's start with the simplest method, checking your recently deleted album. This is where your deleted photos are temporarily stored, usually for up to 30 days. Here's how to check. 1. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on Albums. 3. Look for the recently deleted album under the Utilities section. 4. Open the album and check if your deleted photos are there. 5. If you find the photos you're looking for, tap Select, then choose the photos and hit Recover. That's it. Your photos should be restored. Step 2. Restore from iCloud Backup. If your photos are not in the recently deleted folder, don't worry. If you've backed up your iPhone to iCloud, you might be able to recover them. Here's what to do. 1. Open the Settings app. 2. Tap on your name at the top, then go to iCloud. 3. Under iCloud, tap Manage Storage and look for your most recent backup. 4. If the backup was made before the photos were deleted, you can restore the entire backup by going to Settings, then General, and selecting Reset. 5. Tap on Erase All Content and Settings to reset your iPhone. 6. After the reset, choose Restore from iCloud Backup and select the backup that includes your photos. Sometimes, storage issues can cause photos to disappear or not appear correctly. If you're having trouble, try these. Clear storage. Go to Settings, General, Phone Storage. Here, you can delete unnecessary apps or files to free up space. When apps run in the background, they can sometimes interfere with how things are stored or displayed. Here's how to disable them. 1. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, or double-tap the Home button if you have an older iPhone. 2. Close all apps by swiping them off the screen. 3. This can help free up your phone's resources and improve the photo recovery process. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your deleted photos, and now you're equipped with the knowledge to prevent future issues. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Got any questions or tips of your own? Drop a comment below, and let's keep the conversation going. See you next time.